Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain the operators in the set. In my previous video I explained about the set. Now let's see what are the operators in the set. Okay, yeah, we have several ways to join the two or more sets. So if you have two sets, we can join many ways. Like in my previous video I explained about the update. So to combine the two sets, we'll be using the update. In my previous videos I explained about the list and the tuple. To combine the two list or two tuple, we'll be using the extend. In the set we'll be using the update. We have some more operators to combine the two or more sets. To combine the two sets we'll be using the update. But when we have more than two, when we want to combine more than two sets, then we have to use this operators. Now let's see one by one each and every operator. Yeah, the first one is union. I think you know about the union, which you have learned in the schooling, the mathematics. So what is the union? To combine the two sets. Like this is the representation. This is the diagrammatic representation. Let it be this A, the 1 2 3, and B is 3 4 5. When we use the union between the A and B, the A and B will be coming in this way. Like 1 2 3 and 4 5, both A and B. Okay, this is the representation of union. So this, yeah, in this way also we can represent. No need to use the union. In the single way we can use the symbol also. So in this way we can join the two sets. Okay, I'll show you practically. You can understand clearly. Look at here. In the set 1 we have ABC, which is a string, and the set 2 we have some numbers like 1 2 3. When we try to combine the set 1 and the set 2 by using the union in this way, like set 1, see this representation, we have to represent in this way only. Set 1 dot union keyword, and we have to use set 2 in the parenthesis. Okay, we'll be keeping this thing in the set 3 and we will be trying to print the set 3. So what will be the output? The set 1 and the set 2 combination both. Yeah, 1 2 3. Okay, why first 1 2 3? Because set is unordered. It will not follow the insertion order. It will be coming randomly. So the first set 2 is printing, then the set 1. So anyway it can print. Okay, now the order changed. Okay, again if you try to run, again the order will be changed. So it will not follow the insertion order. It will be coming randomly. The set 1 and the set 2 combination. Okay, remember this thing. Yeah, simply we can use this shortcut also. Okay, not only we can combine the two sets, we can combine more than two sets also. Yes or no? So when we try to combine the four sets, let's see. Yeah, it's a combination of four sets, but the order will not follow. It will be printing random order. Okay, in this way also we can use. I think you got a clarity about the union. It will be combining the both sets. It's a combination of all the sets. Okay, we can use more than two sets also. No need to use only the two sets. We can use more than two also, like which I shown here, which is a four set combination. Okay, next, let's see next one. Next one is insertion. What is the insertion? We can use this thing also, which is a shortcut. Similarly, in the union, this is the shortcut, and in the insertion, this is a shortcut. So what is the insertion? So the A, this 1 2 3 4, and the B, the set is 3 4 5 6, and the A insertion B, this is the insertion symbol and this is the union symbol. I think you know. And what the insertion will be doing? It will be having the common elements, common items between the two sets, or the more than two sets, the common things which are there. So what are the common numbers in the A and B? 3 and 4 are the common numbers between the A and the B. So 3 and 4 will be printed. So this is the diagrammatical representation from the A and the B. What are the common elements are there? The common elements will be printed. But in the A union B, entire A and the B, complete A set and the B set will be printed. But here the common elements from the A and B only printed. Okay, let's say practically. We can use the set in this format also. It's a combination of multiple data types. In this way also we can use insertion. What is the insertion? What are the common things? What are the common things over here? Apple, apple, and 1 and 1. Okay, now let's see what will be the output. Yes, false. Yeah, and the 0 and the false both is same, both are same. 0 and the false both will be considered as same, so that the false also is going to print. And the 1 and the apple, these are the common things between set 1 and the set 2. This is the insertion. Or we can use a shortcut also, which is this. Will not get any type of an error. We can use simply this thing also. Okay, yeah, we'll get same output. Or we can use the insertion also. Intersection. Now next operator is difference, or we can use this shortcut also, which is minus. So what the difference will be doing? So this is the first set, which is A, and this is the second set, and these are the common items which are there in the A and the B. So if we use A minus B, the uncommon elements from the B which are there in the A, this is the A minus B. Similarly, when we use B minus A, the uncommon or the not same elements which are used between A and B will be coming in the B minus A. Means the set 1 are not in the other set. So the elements which are not there in the other set. So suppose let's consider the A set is 1, 2, 3, and the B set in this same example, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, and the B is 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's consider the common elements are 3 and 4, and the remaining elements which are not common in the B are 1 and 2, and the B will get 5 and 6. This 1 and 2 are the A minus B, and 5 and 6 which is remaining, that is B minus C. I think you got a clarity. Let's see practically. Look at here, this is set 1 and this is set 2. So what are the common elements first in the set 1 and set 2? This apple is the common element. And when we are trying to print the set 1 dot difference set 2, means set 1 minus set 2, means the non-common items which are there in the set 2, in the set 1, means the banana and the cherry are non-common elements in the set 2. The banana and the cherry will be going to come in the output. See, because this banana and cherry is not there in the set 2. Similarly, when we want to use the set 2 minus set 1, the items which are not there in the set 1, means Google and the Microsoft, where this Google and Microsoft is not there in the set 1. This thing will be coming in the output. Yes, I think you got a clarity. Or you can use the shortcut also, which is minus. Okay, in this way also we can use simply. Okay, yeah, same output. Yeah, look at here. So this is the difference. Okay, understand clearly. Next, let's see what is the symmetric difference. So this is the shortcut. So for every notation we have shortcut. We can use in this way also, or we can use the shortcut also simply. Okay, yeah. Here we have a formula where A minus B union B minus C. You know what is A minus B? A minus B means the non-common elements from the B, and B minus A means the non-common elements from the A which are there in the B. So the combination of both, or we can use A union B minus A intersection B, means the combination of both A and B set minus, and the only the common items from A and B. We have to do difference between the both. Okay, we can use either this formula or this formula to find the semantic difference. Yeah, this is a diagrammatical representation, which is set A, and this is a set B, and these are the common elements which are there between the A and the B. When we use A minus B, we'll get 4 and 5. When we use B minus A, we'll get 6 and 7. So if we use a combination of A minus B union B minus A, we'll get 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is a semantic difference. Okay, we can use this thing also. Let's see practically this thing also. Let's take the same example, which is semantic underscore difference. Okay, this is the operator. So here we have to apply that formula, which is A minus B union B minus A. What is the A minus B? A minus B means banana and cherry. B minus A means Google and the Microsoft. The combination of this thing means banana, cherry, Google and Microsoft will be coming. Yeah. this thing. Or A minus B union B minus A. This is the formula for the semantic difference. Or we can use it this shortcut also, which is this thing. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Same out. Look at here. Similarly, we have some more operators like is disjoint, is subset, is superset. Okay. Even we have is superset, where it returns whether all items in this set is present in other. Like we can say the set 1 is a superset of set B. Means what are the elements are there in the set 1 should be there in the set 2 also. At that time we can use a subset. And even we have is superset also. Is superset is the opposite to the subset. So in the superset, if you have two sets like set 1 and set 2, the set 1 should have all the elements of the set 2. Whereas the subset, every elements in the set 1 should be there in the set 2. This is the small difference between the subset and the superset. So these are also, this is the shortcut which we have to use for the subset, and this is a superset shortcut. So these are some operators. Mainly we'll be using this 4 only, but for more knowledge you can refer to this thing also. I think it's more than enough for the set. That's it. So remember that set will not follow any order, and it is not it will not allow the duplicate values also. Remember these 2 points. It will not follow the insertion order, and it will not allow the duplicate values. I think it's done with the set. And from next coming video, I will be explaining about the dictionary, which is very important. And as of now, that's it. Thanks for watching.